kit review is of the P-47 Thunderbolt, and it is a 1/44 scale model by MiniHobby. And this box also took a beating on its way over here. Here are the instructions. And painting and decal guide. Let's have a look inside. So first of all, here's our wings. We have some recessed lines, not a lot. And here's our stabilizer. We have our engine cowl. It looks like our spinner colors come off already. We have some flashing. We've got our landing gear, we've got fuel tanks, bombs, and fuselage. Here's our canopy, and we have our decals, reasonably well printed, so should be an easy model.